Hey everyone, I'm David, and today I'm taking you on a spectacular journey through the heart of Marbella, its charming old town. Imagine strolling through narrow cobblestone streets, each corner bursting with history and vibrant Spanish culture. Let's dive right into the must-see spots that you simply can't miss when you visit Marbella. First up, we head to the Plaza de los Naranjos. As the name suggests, this square is lined with beautiful orange trees. Built back in the Renaissance period, the air here is filled with the sweet scent of oranges mixed with the aroma of fresh coffee from nearby cafes. It's the perfect spot to people watch and soak in the local ambience. Next, let's wander over to the Marbella Old Castle Wall. These ancient walls tell tales of the past, and as you touch them, you can almost feel the history seeping through. The castle provides an intriguing peek into Marbella's Moorish and Christian heritage, making it a must for any history buff. No tour of Marbella's old town would be complete without visiting the majestic Church of Our Lady of the Incarnation. Its stunning architecture is a blend of Gothic and Baroque styles, and inside, the intricate art pieces will leave you in awe. Whether you're religious or not, the peaceful atmosphere here is truly soul-soothing. Feeling a bit artistic? Then you can't skip the contemporary Spanish engraving museum. Located in a restored 16th century hospital, this museum showcases works by famous Spanish artists like Picasso and Dali. It's a treat for the eyes and the mind. And of course, no trip to Spain is complete without indulging in some local cuisine. Back in the Plaza de los Naranjos, you'll find a plethora of quaint restaurants serving up traditional tapas. From sizzling gambas al ajillo to delicious patatas bravas, your taste buds are in for a treat. Now let's explore some exclusive tours that will make your visit even more memorable. Discover Marbella's culinary side with the Marbella, tour of the old town with tapas and wine. Treat yourself to the best Spanish products, traditional tapas, local wine and olive oils as you learn more about this beautiful town. Next, hop on the Malaga private city tour by Eco Tuk Tuk and explore Malaga's highlights in a comfortable and unique way aboard an electric tuk-tuk. For a sensory delight, join the Malaga Tapas crawl and experience Malaga with all your senses on this 3-hour food tour through some of the most authentic, charming and unique places the city has to offer. Finally, sail away with the From Marbella, Costa del Sol group sailboat cruise and drinks. See the Costa del Sol from the water, relax on board with drinks and snacks, and enjoy stand-up paddleboarding and snorkeling. Don't miss out on these favorites. Click the link in the description and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting tours. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.